respected headmaster, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name Nagaratna. I wish you all very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January, the Republic Day of our country. This day is a national festival of our country. On this day, our constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. Republic Day is important to us as Independence Day. The Constitution of India and the Supreme Law of India. Our Constitution is the largest written Constitution in the whole world. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. Today we are